moment I realized I was going to be in pediatrics was a rotation through a clinic in San Antonio when I was in dental school. And a 9-year-old kicked the tray off the table and jumped up and headed for the door. And I stopped him by just saying his name, got him to come back and relax, just everything went smoothly after that by just talking to him and letting him know that I want this to be easy. When that worked, it was very simple. It was just honesty and sincerity, and the kid was awesome. The key to being a good pediatric dentist is being dynamic and not having one answer for every problem. You really need to be able to adapt to your patients and then have them trust you. I was born in Texas and lived in Victoria, Texas for 18 years, and then went to dental school in San Antonio, and I did my pediatric residency at New York University. And that's really where I was fortunate to work with some of the leading professionals in the field. And genuinely, some of the best hospitals in the world are NYU hospitals, and I was lucky and happy to be there. I love to travel with my off time, try to get as many places as I can in a year, places I haven't been, and sometimes go seeing friends who live in different cities is one of the most gratifying things you can do. I love living in Austin because there's also a lot of great stuff to do here. Love going to see music, love going out to eat with my friends, and love doing the Greenbelt runs and Barton Springs in the summer when it's too hot to do anything else. The thing I like the most about being a pediatric dentist is the interaction with the patients. You get to see dynamic personalities from silly to serious, you know, little kids to teenagers, and breaking through sometimes that icy silence of teens that I had when I was that age too. We both have short attention spans, and neither one of us want to be in that chair for a long time, so it works out perfect. If I wasn't a pediatric dentist, I would love to do a food and travel television show. Who doesn't want to do that? I mean, give me a camera crew and let me go to Italy or France or Vietnam, and we'll just eat our way through every country and tell funny stories, and that would be an ideal job. Either that or work for an NBA team. You can edit that last part off of there.